This is Audrey, the travel mama. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if this is your first time. My channel features travel vlog and plan video. Today I'm going to take you all along with me through this week's Hoya town. Hope you all enjoy it. So I just potted this cutting into the Adobe, the Husqvarna variegated. I have really good results with the cuttings in Adobe. So I'm gonna do that from now on with all my new cuttings. Sorry, my son is sleeping in the background. And I love this Hoya when I saw this on other people's video. I know I have to have it. It has such a beautiful leaf pattern. I just love this kind of watercolorish leaf, and it actually have a little bit of growth right there. You can see right here, and it has tons of roots. Not tons of roots, but has some grown root on those cuttings. So I'm really happy with this one. I actually also have another two new cuttings. It's from Coroniana. This is the Coroniana Silver. I mentioned on the last video that's my Coroniana Silver style. So this is my replacement. It comes with tons of roots. And I just put this one in the Leica. Actually, it has been in the Leica for about a week. And it has been growing some roots. You can see there's some root tips growing. And I love this kind of silverish leaves. It's just so beautiful. And here is the Coroniana black. And if you can see, there's some black mark, not a black, like dark grayish black mark on the leaves. And it also comes with some root. It's a rooted cutting. And I also put this one in the Leica B. So hopefully those will grow in tons of roots and started to grow in new growth, so I can pot them later. put them into the pots, the exterior pot that is shielded, so the sunlight couldn't get to the side of the glass jar. So there's a less chance of algae growing. I haven't had any algae growth on my Leica routine Hoya, so I think this method really works well with me for my Hoya. Here is my Hoya risotto. As you can see, it already growing tons of roots, and also there's a new growth coming up, so I'm gonna pot this one in soil. I already mixed my soil. It's actually just a cactus soil with some orchid bark. That's the root balls right here. I'm not gonna clean up the Leica beads. I don't want to really hurt the root balls, especially new root tips. So I'm gonna just put this one in the pot. So here is my new risotto. It's in the soil right now. I probably just gonna let it growing tree down instead of winding up with trellis to see how that one looks. I think it will look prettier with a hanging basket than the trellis. Here is my new plant. I'm really happy with this one. The last thing on my Hoya this week will be repotting these leaves into the Leica bee. I had this Koreai variegata for almost a year. I bought that one I think the summer last year, and I found this one on a local nursery, and I don't even know if there's roots growing. It's been really slowing. I don't feel anything, but it's kind of hard to pull it out. So let me get it out of the soil. I'm back, so this one definitely has more roots than I expected, so I'm actually really excited. I hope this one can start growing some new growth. I haven't seen anything on it yet, but I'm still gonna pot this one into the Leica. Let's hope it's not a bad idea. So it's right here. The reason why I still decided to pot this leaf into the Leica, because I don't know if you guys remember my risotto and sunrise. They have tons of roots in the pots, but there's nothing new growth coming out. So I'm worried about this one might be the same as the other ones. It has so many root system, but there's no new growth coming out. I heard for this specific orchid, it takes a lot longer for leaf to sprout out new growth. So I hope with the Leica and the constant water, it will help to really help to promote the new growth from this Hoya. So here it is. Here is my potted Hoya Finisoni Eye in soil mixed. I really love this Hoya. The leaf pattern is so beautiful. Probably one of my favorites because of the leaf pattern. and it's right by the east window, so it gets plenty morning sun all the way to 11 o'clock. Here is the potted Hoya risotto. Turn this so you guys can see it. Hope this one can keep growing too. I hope you all enjoyed this Hoya vlog week video. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe this channel. I'll see you guys next time. Happy growing!